Very good morning, viewers across the globe. Myself, Dr. Neeraj from India, Bharat, and today we are here to take you a one more session of satsang. The satsang which helps you to connect you to your true self, Satchit Anand Brahman. There are many types of satsang, but the real satsang is all about which helps you to know your true self, Satchit Anand Brahman, which helps you to know that there is love, peace, joy in abundance within you, and you don't need to do any effort to experience the gifts of spirituality. And if you're not doing the satsang on true self, then you have to concentrate, then you have to focus, then you have to chant mantras and put your mind again and again into satsang. See, if you're contemplating on the false self, you can't get the seeds or fruits of true self. So, contemplate what we are saying. We are saying that if you have to attain the ultimate peace, if you want to experience the joy and the bliss all the time in your life, then you need to change your direction. Then you need to get connected to Adhyatmik Gyan of Bharat, because until unless you are connected to satsang of Satchit Anand Brahman, true self, you can never experience the peace. You can never experience the ultimate bliss which is present in you, abundance. When you contemplate on false self, then what happens? You have to focus, you have to put your attention, and you have to meditate. But in satsang of true self, Satchit Anand, you don't have to meditate, you don't have to do anything, nothing can disturb you, and you can slowly and slowly have the experience of true self, Satchit Anand Brahman, right here in this moment. This is the ultimate truth about the real satsang of true self. But what is happening? Mostly we are doing the satsang of false self, and we are trying and we are learning in that how to harmonize relations, how to behave good to others, and how to create more force and energy in your mind and the body. See, body is a bubble, it will burst. Mind will take you to other thoughts, but once you transcend beyond mind and the body, then you can experience your truth. And your truth is Satchit Anand Brahman, nothing less than that. And we are here to tell you that be more careful when you do the satsang, because the real satsang is all about you and nothing else. And when you know yourself, then you know everyone. So awaken that force, that energy within you in this satsang, and have the direct experience of love, peace, joy in abundance which is present in you in this moment. Contemplate on this and have a great time.